So, yesterday no snow, and this is what we got now. This ground was bare yesterday. No snow banks, no nothing. After that rain, it wiped everything out. And it looks like we're finally coming to an end now. You can see now, that's this right here. I have not touched this. Haven't plowed, haven't done anything. You can see how much snow we got. That's pretty deep snow. That's easily 2 feet right there. And I'm not gonna go step in it to prove it. Yeah. Well. Been a while since we've had a storm like this. Just hopefully it's a while before we get another one. So again, this is North Sutton, New Hampshire, up near Kearsarge Mountain, and this is NEMO, the blizzard of 2013, and hopefully we only have to say that once.